Hi guys! Tara, samahan nyo kami. Ini-explore ko nga pala itong malapit sa bahay. Dahil meron akong nakikitang masarap na kainan na malapit sa bahay guys. At nakikita nga namin, unlimited ice cream, unlimited drinks. Tara, samahan nyo kami i-explore itong restaurant malapit sa bahay. Itong Teppanyaki daw, sabi ng hubby ko. Let's go guys! Itong Teppanyaki guys na malapit sa bahay ay unlimited vegetables siya, unlimited drinks, unlimited soup, at unlimited ice cream. At hindi rin siya gaanong mahal, kaya nakakatuwang kumain dito. Sayang naman yung buto. Yung pork. Yes.
Yan ang drinks na mamaya na mag-drink. Mamaya, hindi ka na makakain. Kuya,
Thank you.
how about the oyster with egg?
Yeah, you say number.
Now, is this one?
Number 25.
Now, the oyster with egg. This one? 25? Oyster with egg? Is that one?
Oh, no. You want seafood, oyster?
With the oyster, then you put egg.
Mabuti na lang guys at marunong silang mag-English. Kasi yung iba kasi hindi sila marunong mag-English. It's okay.
Sorry.
So what's this king oyster mushroom? The mushroom.
I'll show you, okay? 那等一下还要看那个杏鲍菇。
Siguro pag ikaw yung chat ko naman. Dito kayo naman.
Yay! May take out pa kami. Kumain kami dyan, oh.